In this Safari tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Developer Tools menu in Safari on your Mac, and this is super easy to do. Enabling the Developer Tools in Safari gives you access to powerful features like inspecting and editing website code in real time, testing how your website looks and behaves across different devices, and many more things. So let's open the web browser on our Mac device, and our job is to access the settings page, and we can do that by tapping on this little Safari button in the menu bar at the top, and then find and click on this Settings option. This window will pop up over the screen where you'll have a bunch of different options which you can enable, disable, or customize. But we are interested in this Advanced section at the right, so open this and then find this Show Features for Web Developers option and make sure to check it. This will then give us a little Developer button located in the menu bar at the top, and you can see that I have the option to open the page with different user agents, empty the cache files, and many more things. Also, we will see two more sections appear in our Safari settings window, and they are the Developer and Feature Flags section. You can then take your time and customize these options while developing your website, inspecting your code, or whatever you need these tools for. But that's how we can enable developer tools in Safari. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you soon.